morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places and you must have been studying very properly at your places. Today, we'll be studying a very interesting chapter, that is Hungry Lion, right? As we all know, hungry means bhukha, and hungry is basically, it's a verb, right? Action doing words are known as verbs. So, we'll be studying about this beautiful chapter, that is Hungry Lion. So, let's just begin. So, the title of our chapter is Hungry Lion, right? And in this chapter you will read a story about a hungry lion. इस chapter में हम लोग एक hungry lion के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. Read this lesson and learn that how lion tries to get food, कि lion कैसे कोशिश कर रहा है food को पाने की, right? So once upon a time a lion lived in a jungle. एक बार की बात है, this once upon a time is a phrase. इसका मतलब क्या है? एक बार की बात है जब एक lion जो है वो कहाँ रहता है? जंगल में रहता है. He was very old and weak, और वो बहुत ही ज्यादा बूढ़ा हो चुका है और बहुत ही ज्यादा कमजोर हो चुका है. देखिए यहाँ पे वीक की स्पेलिंग क्या है? WEAK, राइट? और एक होता है WEE की, दैट इज द डेज ऑफ द वीक, राइट? सो ही यूज्ड टू हंट स्मॉल एनिमल्स फॉर हिज फूड. अपने खाने के लिए वो छोटे छोटे जानवरों को क्या किया करता था? उन पे शिकार किया करता था. एंड वन डे द लायन वॉज वेरी हंग्री, और एक बार की बात है दैट ही वॉज वेरी हंग्री, उसको बहुत भूख लग रही थी. एंड ही लुक्ड फॉर फूड एवरीवेयर, उसने हर जगह खाने को खोजा. ही लुक्ड एवरीवेयर, ही बेसिकली सर्च फॉर फूड एवरीवेयर, बट ही कुड नॉट फाइंड एनी फूड, बट ही वाज नॉट एबल टू फाइंड एनी फूड देयर, राइट? आफ्टर सर्चिंग अ लॉट, एंड ही वाज इवन मोर हंग्री नाउ, और अब उसको बहुत ही ज्यादा भूख लगने लगी, राइट? एट सनसेट द लायन रीच्ड अ केव एंड ही वेंट इनसाइड इट. और शाम को जब सूरज ढलने की बात हो रही थी, जब सूरज ढल रहा था, तब लायन जो है वो एक केव के पास पहुंचा. केव मीन्स आप कह सकते हैं एक गुफा में, और ही जस्ट वेंट इनसाइड इट, और उसके अंदर चला गया. गो का वेंट आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस है किसकी? गो की. नाउ सम एनिमल विल श्योरली कम टू स्पेंड द नाइट इन दिस केव. और कुछ एनिमल्स जो होते हैं, कुछ एनिमल्स वहां उस केव में कभी ना कभी वहां पे बेसिकली क्या करने आते हैं? अपनी रात बिताने के लिए आया करते थे. एंड when he does I will eat him up, he said to himself. उसने क्या कहा? जब उनमें से कोई भी जानवर उस केव के अंदर आएगा तो मैं उनको खा जाऊंगा. now after a while a jackal come along, और एक कुछ समय के बाद एक jackal he just came along inside this cave, and the cave was his home. और वो केव उसका क्या था? उसका घर था. and the jackal came there every night to sleep, और वहां पे हर रोज आया करता था किस लिए? सोने के लिए. and as the jackal was about to enter the cave he saw some footprints and he stopped outside. और जैसे कि jackal he was trying to enter the cave, before entering the cave what did he saw the footprints, that is उसको पैरों के निशान दिखे. so he just stopped outside, he didn't move inside, वो अंदर नहीं गया. now jackal, good evening to you, how are you? now jackal is saying that good evening, he was just greeting, and he is saying that how are you, आप कैसे हैं? no one answered him, किसी ने उसका जवाब नहीं दिया. it was quiet, it was very silent, very calm, very tranquil over there. and the lion heard the jackal but did not make a sound, और lion ने उसकी सारी बातें सुन ली बट कोई भी आवाज नहीं निकाली. now licking his lips he waited for the jackal to come inside. licking his lips means he was feeling very very hungry, and at that time he was just waiting for the jackal so that he can come inside and he will eat him up, right? now after some time the clever jackal spoke again, और clever jackal ने फिर से उसको वापस से वही सब बोला. and क्या बोला? jackal, okay, वो किसको कह रहा है? वो he was just pretending for all this, he is saying okay, मतलब कि एक गुफा, every day when I come to you welcome me so nicely. वो कह रहा है जब भी मैं रोज आपकी गुफा में आता हूँ आप मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे से ग्रीट करते हो, वेलकम करते हो. why are you silent today? आज आप इतना साइलेंट क्यों हो? I will go away to another cave, और मैं जो हूँ another cave में चला जाऊंगा अगर आप मुझे अच्छे से ग्रीट नहीं करोगे. now what happened? the lion heard this, और अब lion ने ये सब कुछ सुन लिया, right? and he thought that the jackal would really go away if he did not reply. and what did he thought? कि अगर jackal को मैंने reply नहीं किया तो he will basically escape, he will move, he will run. so He roared loudly, और उसने बहुत जोर से दहाड़ने लगा. कौन? Lion. Now the whole forest shook with the terrible roar of the lion. अब वो जो पूरा फॉरेस्ट है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा डर चुका था इसकी इतनी बड़ी दहाड़ से. Right. Now all the animals of the forest, they heard it and felt scared. और सारे के सारे animals ने ये दहाड़ सुन ली थी, and all the animals they were feeling very scared. बहुत ही ज्यादा, they were very frightened. उनको बहुत ही ज्यादा डर लगने लगा था. Now they all ran away. और सब लोग उस जंगल से भाग गए. Now the hungry lion was waiting for the jackal to enter the cave. अब जो hungry lion है, he was already waiting inside the cave that if any animal will come inside, he will definitely eat him up. Now the jackal laughed, और jackal जो है वो हंसने लगा बहुत ही ज्यादा. And he stood outside the cave and smiling, and he was standing outside the cave and he was just smiling. I have made a fool of this lion. Now jackal, I have never heard a cave talking. jackal कह रहा है मैंने कभी नहीं सुना था कि ये केव भी बातें करती हैं. And caves do not talk, और caves कभी भी बातें नहीं करती हैं. And having said this, the jackal ran off. और ये बोलने के बाद jackal जो है वो भाग गया. And the foolish lion slowly come out of the cave. और जो बेवकूफ lion है who is inside this cave, he was just came out of the cave and he looked around but found no one. और जब वो केव के बाहर आया उसने बाहर देखा कि there was nobody around it. And the clever jackal had tricked him. और clever jackal ने उसको क्या कर दिया? उसको उल्लू बना दिया, उसका पागल बना दिया. और clever jackal had tricked him, उसको बहुत ही ज्यादा पागल बना दिया by befooling him so that he can save all the other animals of the jungle. Right, moving on to the word basket, the very first word is hungry. Hungry means causing hunger, बहुत ही ज्यादा भूख लगना. Licking means passing the tongue over, means lick karna means चाटना. It's like just you can pass off your tongue, right? And terrible means horrible, बहुत ही ज़्यादा डरावना. The next is scared. Scared means afraid and frightened. I have already explained you. Now moving on to the exercises. Now we'll be learning the exercise, that is the oral exercise, where we'll be learning that how to pronounce each word correctly, right? The first word is jungle. Moving on to the next is everywhere. The next is sunset. Then it's the inside. Then next is surely. Then it's the footprints. Then the next is nicely. And the last one is laughed. We should all laugh. It's a good therapy for all of us to laugh. And it's a free therapy, right? Moving on to the correct answer. The first is that a lion used to hunt small animals for his food. At sunset, the lion reached a cave, and in the cave there lived a jackal, because jackal was already residing there at this cave, and the lion was very foolish, बहुत ही ज़्यादा पागल था, kind of a very foolish, silly, right? And one day, moving on to the fill in the blanks, and one day the dash was very hungry. One day the lion was very hungry. And after a while, a dash came along. And after a while, you can say dash came along. A jackal. The lion did not make a dash. The lion did not make a sound. The whole dash, the whole forest. And I have never heard a dash talking. And I have never heard a cave that is talking. कि कभी मैंने नहीं सुना कि कोई भी केव हंस रही हो या फिर बात कर रही हो. Moving on to the true and false. The lion lived in a cave in a forest? No, it's false. Who lives in a cave? It's the jackal. The jackal was very hungry. Of course, it's not. It's the lion. The lion entered the cave. It's true. The cave talked to the jackal. It's false. And the jackal tricked the lion. Of course, it's true. Moving on to the answer the following question. Where did the lion live? You all will be doing all these respective question answers in your notebook. And I hope you all like this beautiful chapter, that is it's about the hungry lion, where we studied that how the jackal, he befooled the lion in order to save all the other animals of the jungle. And please keep studying and stay hydrated, and thank you.